In my previous video, one of my subscriber asked me to make long videos. Thank you for your comment. I would like to answer your comment, that people get bored watching long videos. So I keep it short, and provide information, as much as I could, within that period of time. So in today's video, I will show how to teach your dog to sit up, or pretty sit, in their hind limbs. Without wasting any time, let's get started. In the previous video, as you taught, sit down, and lie down, it's time to teach, sit up. Having first taught your dog to obey your command promptly, proceed to teach him to, sit up. This you can do by placing him in corner in a sitting position, and should be attempt to calm down, tap him lightly on the chin, and say, sit up. Keep him in this position for a little while. Should he come down again, straighten him up, saying to him, sit up. The motive in placing him in the corner is to furnish him with support at first, that he may not fall over. After he has learned to sit up well in the corner, sit him up. The next method for sit up is that, hold your treat in front of dog's nose. And then when he tries to snap his food, lift up and say, sit up. Do this till you realize that he is not familiar with the word sit up. It may take much time, as this position is very difficult for them to attain their balance. So have patience, and don't panic. While he is in the position of sit up, provide his treat, and as usual, reward him, and show him your love and affectionate towards him. And at last practice this for around 10 to 15 times per day. Hope you liked this video, and have learned to teach this command. I make videos providing information about dogs. To get more videos like this, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel.